Well, sometimes, of course, it's all in the name, and when you have the Sahib, the Bibi, and the gangster all together, I like the feel of the name. And so I like the movie also. Here, of course, we have the gangsters. So the Sahib, Bibi, and the gangster talking about their movie.
Sahib Bibi or Gangster returns with new twists and turns and new addition to its star cast. Well, to know more about the film, we have the star cast joining us.
मुझे थोड़ा वाइन चाहिए.
ये हमेशा मर्द ही क्यों मिलते हैं हमें, शायर क्यों नहीं मिलते.
So, what do we look forward to, Jimin? Sahib Bibi or Gangster returns?
You look forward to full-on entertainment, a great script, a story which will have a lot of twists and turns.
Do we get to see a more wacky and wild Bibi this time around?
See, this is an extension of the first part, but Madhvi is becoming even more aggressive, ambitious, and more khatarnak, like I always say.
Even adulterous?
No, not really. No, not this time. It wasn't quite this time, but yes, she's become very, very ambitious and very, very powerful.
So, how you play a girl with aristocratic background? I'm sure it must have been quite effortless to slip into that character.
Well, all of us have aristocratic lineage in the cast. All four of us are of noble lineage. I was quite comfortable. I'm quite comfortable in my 10 crores worth of jewelry that I'm wearing in the film.
Do you feel awkward when you do intimate scenes? Because you had apprehensions about doing intimate scenes. You are dating Kunal and, you're answerable to someone. Considering that, is it difficult to do intimate scenes? Convince yourself to get to do intimate scenes.
It's not fun to watch anyone that you are fond of romancing someone else, especially in those intimate scenes on screen. But they are professional actors, and there's certain things I suppose that you're required to do in romantic films. But I have a line which I feel that I'm comfortable not crossing. And Kunal did a film called Blood Money recently where there was some pretty heavy, steamy stuff happening there. So he doesn't really have a leg to stand on. It's not like he can say, okay, you're not allowed to do that. And I'll be like, well, you're not allowed to do that. And then we'll be sitting at home not doing any films.
Mahi, there's a dialogue in this film where what is it? You just keep seeing that मुझे मिलते हैं मर्द शायर नहीं मिलते.
मुझे ये हमेशा मर्द ही क्यों मिलते हैं मुझे शायर क्यों नहीं मिलते is the dialogue because I think she's looking for romance which she's not getting. तो हर वक्त उसको मर्द मिलते हैं तो रोमांस करने के लिए कोई नहीं मिलता. ये हमेशा मर्द ही क्यों मिलते हैं हमें शायर क्यों नहीं मिलते.
How easy or difficult is it is to connect the sequel with the first film and make sure that it stands independently?
It is difficult because people think कि उससे ज़्यादा better होना चाहिए and stuff like that, and even the characters are very difficult this time. But yeah, I'm sure people are going to like it, and it's an amazing film.
It looks like a very convoluted love story. You are in love with him, but you are Irfan's wife, and then he's in love with he's in love with you. She's in love with Irfan.
He doesn't love me at all.
आपको actually
तभी तो she is like
you have to make a flowchart at the end of the film.
Yeah, exactly.
A loves B, but B likes C, but it's like being in high school. No? Like so and so likes so and so, but so and so likes so and so, but then you change your mind.
What is the thrill in the film? It is a romantic thriller.
You have to watch it.
It's all those. Actually, what is most exciting as an audience is when something is happening on screen and you want to be able to tell the characters on screen कि ऐसा नहीं है, आपने गलत समझा है. There's a miscommunication because of which you're going to do something and you're going to ruin everything. So please don't do that. तो वो जो ड्रामेटिक आइरनी कहते हैं ना कि ऑडियंस को कुछ पता है या और हाँ जो कैरेक्टर्स को नहीं पता होता है, that is the most thrilling and best part of the screen.
Considering that the first film was well accepted by the audience, lapped up rather by the audience, the second film will work well on the box office.
I'm sure. I'm sure script is much better and everything is like production value or जो भी ये dialogue बाजी, everything is mind blowing this time.